This is Candace from Gagne Farms. I wanted to do a quick update here with you guys. We've had so much life blooming on the farm and we're so excited, but haven't had a lot of time to show you some of it. So here's a little sneak preview of one of the new animals on our farm. We got ducks. We love them very much. They're getting big super fast. That's why I thought I would give you a sneak peek. So here's one of our little ducklings. Who doesn't want to see ducklings, right? Thanks for joining me on Gagne Farms. See you next time.